This is the instructional video for Plastic Welding Technology's GAMUT Hot Wedge Welder. The machine comes assembled and ready to use. Locate the power switch at the top of the machine. Next to it is the forward and reverse motor switch that changes the spin direction of the rollers. The jog feature allows the machine to auto-start when the wedge is engaged. Turning the switch to run forces the rollers to spin continuously. At the bottom of the control panel is the speed dial. When adjusted, the speed display shows the current roller speed in feet or meters per minute. The temperature control panel displays the actual and set temperature of the wedge. Right now it's set to off. Using the up and down arrows, adjust the temperature to correspond with the material you'll be welding. The aluminum wedge will begin heating and come up to temperature very quickly. Located at the top of the machine by the controls are the cartridge heater fuses and the motor fuse. To run the machine, clamp down the rollers and engage the wedge. Notice the machine is set to jog and the auto start feature is activating. On the front of the GAMUT there's a roller tension knob. Adjusting it determines how firmly the rollers press together. On the side of the machine, there's a release pin for the wedge that lets it swing out for easy replacement of the cartridge heaters. Take out 2 screws and remove the wedge. The GAMUT has several material guides. To adjust the guides, loosen the screws and slide them along the rails to adjust for different widths of overlap. The front of the machine also has a set of material guides as well as a tape guide. To begin welding, slide your material into the machine, making sure the material follows the proper guide. The GAMUT can weld plastics from 100 mil down to 10 mil, and with the ability of the wedge to completely retract, you don't have to rush for fear of burning lighter plastics while loading. The GAMUT can weld in a stationary position with the material feeding through. Or you can engage the drive and have the machine move through the material. Low-profile wheels make it perfect for in-house fabrication. Even using wrinkled, extremely thin material, you still get a good, smooth weld. Thank you for using PWT's GAMUT.